Welcome to the party. I'm
on my way to meet Elena because she left earlier to get to the gym. And I kind of overslept because I was up all night editing a lot of videos. We're just having some bananas. Hey, I'm on my way to one of my clients, Bunny and Indy. Bunny is a French Bulldog and Indy is an Australian Shepherd. Both of these guys are very hyper, extremely hyper, and fun. Hey, so I'm visiting one of my clients, Bunny and Indy. They're freaking awesome. Hello. Hi. Hey, Bunny. Hey, dude, what's up? Long time no see. Hey, Indy. Hi. You guys are hyper. Hey. Are you guys ready to go out for a walk? Yeah? Are you ready? Yes. Oh, yeah. Hi. Hi, Bunny. Hi. Hey. Alright, who's a bully? Who's a bully? Hi, Indy. Alright, guys, let's go out.